You can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Hey, yeah man, this is public report, you know what I mean? And guess what? Thanks for checking in, thanks for being a part of the journey, thanks for, just supporting the public report movement from, to Yasso and all of them something. To the new family members, thanks for being here. Maria, give thanks, you know what I mean? To the family members what did it from day one, oh my God. How can I say thanks? You know what I mean? Because I highly appreciate you. I don't know yourself, you know. I don't want to call no name because if I call name, I'm not done for right now. All right, so this one is called Instant Deportee. You know what I mean? And this is episode 2. So I want everybody to do the right thing. Tell me what I go on. Reason with me. You know what I mean? I never know if me I go on or if me improve or if me you know what I mean? So I want to know. You know what I mean? And as I say, thanks again to everybody. I love what say and a family will say. And this right here, so is going to be I'm going to make you watch the recap before you watch episode 2 because, I want to bring up the speed because I don't really get the chance to drop it right back to back, right? So guess what? Check the recap now.
And that's why if you come back to Jamaica, sis, so you can eat up a good food, them. Kind of like y'all suffer out there and we there, so Jamaica suffer. You can't even send $100. Lord God, my brother just suffer, yeah, man. Weed that get to your head.
Which weed? No, weed not get to my head. From morning, I can't smoke. Foreign hard, foreign tough. I'm say, all right, come back to your yard now. She don't want to come back to your yard. So how that work out? I think of the plan, and I just have to execute it. You understand me? I say?
Bro, that would have good enough. Do it, man, bro. Do it.
Do it,
that would have be good. Do it, man.
You sister?
Yeah, bro. Do it, man.
Sister,
God would have bless you. Do it, man.
Yeah, all right, you are. Look how fire come from, brother. All right, see over there, yard. I'm going to organize something for your sister. And you have it.
So you want me to lend out people bike? Lend you?
You want your jail in that, so you not use it. You want the bike rat down there that you want to do?
I bet a man bike rotten down.
Where's it now?
The key for a bike, because the bike our uncle bike, I'm sure.
Hold on, which one bike you have? This one or this one?
This a bike, this a one.
So what's in the key?
Here.
Can't just key, so I have to go call him.
No, I first you see me?
Imagine your brother ask me for borrow my family bike, you know. And now the bike missing. Your brother thief.
Hey!
Me no thief, no bike. Me borrow the bike, but me just sell it.
Hi, guys.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You good?
Yeah.
This is my partner, you know.
Hi.
So still, your brother sent me some things for you, you see me, and I want to make sure you get it, you see me?
Okay.
Me suitcase.
Okay.
Tell us the number.
Oh, dear.
So I just want to make sure you get it in them.
Yeah, but I could have what my brother said.
Why? Yo, if you're dead, you know, I'm sorry for you, you know. Because I'm not no blame for you, you know. Come and tell us a little tip. And I like a kid. I like, what makes you now wake up? Why you now wake up?
Maybe probably true me keep it too long.
She not dead. You have VR and chill though.
She not dead, no, overdose. She overdose.
So why you so upset?
What do you mean? Why am I so upset?
Me save
I
you.
can't believe you. Save me from what?
What you mean say from what? From poverty. You know, see I suffer fine.
Oh.
Your brother is here for you. What you talking about? You enjoy this?
My job is
boat,
very
right?
important right now.
What you mean important?
And
So,
if you let me lose that job, I will cut you off clean as a brother.
what you mean cut me off
believe me.
clean as a brother? You see you ungrateful, you know?
I'm
Okay.
not ungrateful. Don't tell me that
Sister,
I'm
so you
ungrateful.
see I suffer over a fine. Now that you tell me point blank, every time I call if you even $100 you can't afford it. But you can afford $1,500 rent. You understand? Everything go alright.
That
Come
is
in.
not your business.
You-
I'm not coming. What is wrong with you?
You subscribe yet? Awa, sis, your hair done. Because me not understand why you come down with it, you know. Them two look pop off Mickey Mouse something, they not make it. They not make it at all.
What you mean by? I didn't plan to come to Jamaica, you know. So anything I come here would make it stay.
Sis, auntie used to sit in this room, you know. You can't just go and relax in a sun until you're ready to sort out the papers, cause me not understand what kind of style brother having him, you know. But me tell you something. You know what's a brother go?
What you mean by?
Brother mad. He mad. You see the weed and the cigarette and the rum him a drink up and hit a mad him to get to his head. If you see how him go on like that, look up madman, they madman. Watch him now.
But he never used to smoke and drink before I leave Jamaica. I don't understand where he get that from. He pick up smoking and drinking and mad.
Because we are suffer. But you know some man can't manage sufferation. So it can get to his head. Every time, money. Right now I borrow some money from you, you know. And I want it back. Anyways, he have one little dirty foot girl there down the road. She named Tia. So she come in my yard other day with her enough and a liquor. You know me stay already.
I know.
The liquor in her face, but she come in my yard come call my brother thief. Call we brother thief. Nonsense.
What you mean by we brother thief?
But we brother thief bike. And nothing then go so like she a tell out order.
And you said that lady should be his girlfriend or something like that?
And go in love her. Rate it. And when she bite off you ears them. Anyways, my sis.
Our brother in love with one girl? And him a gallis?
Something like that. She control his head.
Something wrong here, man. But anyway, I don't see him from morning. Where is he right now?
Me don't know where the madman there.
I don't think you should call him our brother mad, you know. I don't think so. But I really need my papers then because I have to go back because my work keep calling me and I have to tell them that I'm in the hospital and I don't understand. This is not my phone.
Sis, everything's so good. Yes. I like your slippers and you carry for me.
Which slippers?
Them here.
My slippers that I wear come to Jamaica? I can't give you my slippers, you're crazy. Take off my slippers, you're mad?
Sis, such you go overseas. I'll catch you look a foreign accent now. You come and disrespect me like this. Take your slippers them. Take them.
Bad mind, you're bad mind.
Take your slippers them. Cause you come like, you think a brother mad yet and me mad.
You're going like some come to Jamaica by willingly. I come to Jamaica by force. You forgot that?
But sis, what brother do still, you know. You know mean if you do it, I will get to your head. In the one try to help you out for your corner because you say you're over there suffer. So you can't blame brother for what you do. Even though that
I'm supposed to blame him because what he's doing is total madness. He's really mad because that is madness what he do.
I make you come down here and talk about madness, rubbish. You talk like a Jamaican now. Say. Brother. God, he go overseas and catch you for an accent. Say, me a come.
I am coming.
No, say me a come.
Me a come. And that we don't know dirty Jamaican. because you look like a that you want to tell me long time for me talk Patwa. Yes, me still can talk Patwa. You think me an idiot? Me still have my Jamaican culture. Me come here and talk to you properly like that. You want me talk like dirty Jamaican. Hello.
You're dirty dog for a long time, you know.
Yes, dead dog.
You know, say you're dirty dog for a long time.
Wait. Sis, how she look like? I hear you. You do I hear her?
Yeah, because she come out with this puff, Mickey Mouse, and the nail look good.
Like seriously.
See, it makes you look like a Jamaican now.
Alright, you are good. See? I don't have to apologize because I just want to miss you. I just said to myself, say, what way can I get you here? Can you keep on see I suffer for him? And I never want you continue to suffer because when mama when say I threw away for real. You understand? Pinky me here say the palm bridge I sell things like you need to stop it.
Yeah,
You need to stop it.
Hold on, what you just say? What you say?
I know what me say, what me hear.
No, what you say? Me, you hear somebody there on bridge I sell?
Yes. That them said.
Them who? Just tell me who says so.
Tia them. Them.
Your girl, Tia says so. You hear what I say? Tia them.
No, me said them. Them me said.
You said
Hey,
Tia. You said
You
Tia,
said
bro.
Tia. Hey.
And
Wait until me see the
Pinky,
girl.
wait. And you come in here and apologizing like what? I'm gonna sorry for you or something? No, I'm not. What you do was totally madness. You should have think before you do something like that. You don't think about it.
Thief people bike right now, me give man fast money.
You thief? Just to get me here in Jamaica the wrong way? I'm in Jamaica legally.
So you never know about this?
I'm here thinking that I'm a deportee when I am not. I didn't do anything wrong.
I'm gonna fix everything still. I'm gonna find a way where you have to go take back a boat. Go back over.
Mad like a what?
You're crazy. I can't do that.
So we pay papers and ask the people.
I'm waiting for my papers. My uncle is gonna send everything through the post office
Well,
for
do that
me.
then.
That's what I'm doing.
You know what? Me I'll come out to the presence of the cars. You don't understand me, you don't understand what me are doing.
Yes, you say mad. Yes, you say mad. You see it?
Me I try to stuff you. You don't make it seem like say me not do nothing good. Me I do it for the best. The best I meant to Uno and us. You say they are fine and suffer. So if you're there fine and suffer, you're there now.
Why when
Yo. Don't do that.
Come
back here. Come here.
No.
Mad boy, go. Mad.
What is wrong with him?
Me tell you. And girl mix up my name but me the palm bridge I said, watch me at Agam.
And who is that? Who is that thing or something?
I can mash
Who
her
is
down,
that
wait.
thing? I really need to meet that girl because
I can call her down, yeah.
I think she's the one who mad my brother or something.
Wait, no sis. I can call her down, yeah. I'll make she come right us and go and let me and her good and give it to her. I know where you go with more, you see she too out than me.
No. Guess what you're gonna do now? You're gonna call her and tell her that you're gonna tell her that brother, sister come from foreign, you know, and I want you to meet her and make she come over here.
Also, like, you care some things for her,
Yes.
no. I can.
Yeah, man. This a money a good man. This a money a use and crave some things. You see me? Money good man. Me I tell me I'll come forward to that the man there, you know, cause me can't bother for the drive truck and more than the man have to come and work so me not make no money. Alright, do it. Me I go count up money and see what I go on. Alright. So a fake money man give me. Yo. Bad man. How can I give me your virgin a play? You see a fake money man give me. What you mean in here? No. Brother, every money has a fake bad man. What me I do with this? Yo, all you trying to make me all fear now, but in yard me I got team right now, you know, cause you feel like me a joke in you. Why you come on from my foot? Come pull up this now, man.
Who is that?
I'm going to ask you, where your brother there?
What the hell are you doing
Where
here?
your brother there? Listen to me. You see your brother? You see the job what me do for your brother?
What job?
Mama, forget you
didn't do
from
any job
foreign.
for my
Forget you
brother.
from foreign. Now me and my friend come for you from
Yeah,
foreign.
you and your friend did that. That
Listen
short
now,
tako
in
thing.
PM me, I watch her.
How that affect me?
Oh, I want my money. Because you say me not get my money, somebody are going to face the consequence.
I don't
Every
understand
action is
you.
a consequence.
I don't
You
understand you because...
Listen, you see this? You see this?
Uh-huh.
Tell him, say, when he come, tell him some more of my money. You see, I'm going to get my money. You see, you
No.
and your brother?
You see,
listen.
No.
Me a go
You
burn
listen
down
to
this.
me
Me
now.
a burn
No,
down this.
you listen to
How?
me now. I'm going to call the police and put a restraining order on
Pow.
you, you know. Because I don't
Go
know
put
why you're
restraining
coming
order for
now.
your brother.
Listen.
Right.
I don't even
No,
know
I'm
if
left
my
your
brother do
place.
anything and you guys do it because of you come a friend to me.
Let's not
Remember
tell your brother
that.
say I want my money. I understand. So I come back, I go burn down this. I burn down this and I go hurt you.
I bet
and I
you.
go hurt your brother.
I bet you.
Watch.
Come back here again. You and that short tako thing. I don't know. What the hell? What's the matter of fuck? Hi, uncle. How are you? I'm not fine. I really need to know what's going on. Uncle, I really need my documents then because I can't stay in Jamaica not one more day. I can't take the Edinburgh. Uncle, you know what I'm going through down here? I can't believe this is the type of life my sister and brother is living. I can't manage it. I need to come back home and I have work, I have bills, I have things to do. Please hurry up, uncle. Please, me, I beg you. I can't stay here. Okay. Yeah. Oh, great. Okay. Alright, when you leave work, call me back, okay? Alright, have a nice evening. Yeah.
Baby, don't worry yourself, man. Me I go and check you. Watch you now. You know me not dirty boy. Unless me left the bike a car wash and wash off you and things. So just go and titivate up yourself and put on your nice clothes. You know, so the two of we got a problem. Alright, baby.
Wow, go on.
Bad boy.
Everything good?
I can't see you. What go on with you, man? Nah, see you.
Say not to know how good on, man. I'm thinking something good on, you know?
Me say you flick out and reach out. What go on?
Well, that's true. Yeah, good, but yeah, what? You know, say still I want one film me go for over there.
You see, same thing on me, I tell you.
No, what you know?
You carry a new girl too?
I know that, you know, I don't know new girl now. It's a little roast me go on.
Just say so, man.
And somebody send me for her. So you see when me go for her now and bring her where she go. Me to get a piece of food.
Yeah.
You see me? So when me get a piece of food now, me I say, yeah, boy, rich and now me I go build up, buy one beast and all. You don't know what's going on. Me check your money now. Fake. He never give me in a hand, he never give me in a box, money fake. And I say, oh, money fake. So I go over there, go link him, and I go over there, I see him girl, I go for me, see. If I didn't one thing, I'll the sister, but anyways, make that stay.
So style man, then style the
The
thing.
man style me.
You left from yard and go
Me left
abroad.
from yard in my general, go over there. Pick up this girl that came come here. And now, the man go style me, the man go give me fake money like say me as a little boy.
I grow on your thing, man, you see me?
But anyways, I know I'm calling link you for still. You see that same, the tool when we give you like a, I want it back.
Bad boy, no say so, man. You can't do that, man. You don't know, say them the thing they are work. Me deal with them thing they with. Right now, it's a rental it depend right now, you know.
I know, man, but I page, me I go page. If me take them, you all of them one by one, I take them, because but now style me, I get with this. I want my money.
Bad boy, as I tell you, say, it depend on rental. So,
So
when
when
it
coming back?
might be next 2 days. So, in them the time, you can link me back.
Sorry, me circle about them.
Ah, but hold on. How style? Come, yeah, tell me something, you not tell me argument straight, you know.
Public. Think of public. Right?
Public?
Yeah, Rasta youth there.
I want to fling on my foot. Yeah, man, somebody.
How?
I see him say, man, try grown me to a youth.
So that means you're more than one man in him. I don't know a youth in a me sharp bridging introduce me to him. I him me go do little work for.
You know, some me and the man I deal with some little mission and I make a man get some kush. And the man try grown me think I don't want to pay my money out.
Don't know.
But them man, they easy to catch you. They easy to catch, man. So we not even have to even worry about them too. Now show it when that they think they reach, man.
Right. No boy me that.
No boy, man. Ah. Yeah, why pray? You don't know how worried, man. Listen to me I say. What kind of problem for you, man, put himself in? Which
man that?
What you mean, which man? No public are you, man?
Hello, public telephone man. I left that man a long time. I don't think come in the community and mix up the name with a junkie man. That man that was smoke with. Yo, don't mix up the name with him, man.
No sister, man. And I mean sister, the people them sister. Because you know so you and him attached, man. You and them man they can't live. But anyways, you don't know one youth named Bob.
Bob.
Yeah, man. Me not talk big grabber like a Bob, man.
What about him?
Bob a mad boy, you know. You don't know say Bob got just public and make public grow on him and style him and something. You know say I want to eat that. Fuck right. That pay things are going out. You know public all style me already too. You need to warn him, you know. Warn your man, you know. Because people are going to hurt him. Warn him. Why? Alright, let's say I heard then. Look more.
Yeah.
Public!
What the hell? What is wrong with you people? Huh? What did they? Hurry, come up, foreigner, ya. Girl, we're public there, Are you a public new girl? We're public there, public we come to. I mean, I don't know a long talking. Can
What
be
you
tired
mean
I
by
know.
if I'm a public new girl? And who are you?
Me, a public woman. When in there?
So you really feel that I want to ride my brother? Huh? What kind of woman you be?
Sorry.
Who you think you are coming in this place, raising your voice like a cat and dog? Who you think you be? Huh? By the way, public is not here. For me like you, take a look at time and walk out here. Oh, are you the big pig? When my next sister tell me about when you have down the road, you look at chatterbox girl. Yes, you.
I mean, you
Then who else is here with me? Other from you?
You come here, you come to man. Where did you foreign? You look like a country you come from. I want to pumpkin, you need big pants now. When public come, you tell public say, me come to him. I don't want to take this thing back. Idiots. know say.
Come consider now.
Oh, you cook?
Yeah, and I must listen to me if you cook your dinner.
Oh, Lord, but look, I cannot put me and tea alone. I put the big and sturdy door.
No, man, not for me and you alone. For me and you alone food.
Bit.
If I go no further, thanks for your money. You see me here doing my nails,
Ah,
you know, see?
babe, me see it, man, me see it. Me see it look good to you, know. Jesus
Yeah.
Christ, thing turn up.
Only thing left me buy now is handbag and the clothes them off a Shein. Cause
Oh.
remember, say you promised me say we have a hotel no so no bother with the ramping, you know.
No, man, that good, man. We work on that, man, because, you know, enough things when I go on and we have to try to clear up some bills and sitting, so, you know. But, I could talk about money for 1 second, no?
No, me ask you a question. Alright, we're gonna stop talking about the money for a second now. Me ask you one serious question. Other day, me and Tia over this to talk, and she go on like you and him there. No, you and him still there?
No, man, you're mad, man. Me and she can't, them, man. A falling angel, that, man. Yo, babe, me tell you something, man. You can't make them energy just strike you, you know.
You better make sure.
Eh?
Because other day, me and talk, and me hear him get one phone call.
No, phone call?
And it sound like how you call him.
No, man, no, I never me call him.
You sure?
Me sure. So, other people can't call him. Or me can't make it seem like say just that alone in a
No,
situation.
because the way hush
Tell
they
them, man.
talk, and then when me a walk on the road, people are laughing and say,
Babe.
and a girl there take tea, man, and all this and that.
Who know? People know? People know about, nobody know about me and you.
They don't know about me and you, but suppose me have one friend and know and the friend go chat.
That's true. So you have a friend who chat the business?
No, you don't understand. People them a laugh and I say, Tia and all of him man, I tell the man they right through no matter
Oh,
what.
so you feel that way
So
about
me
that?
feel that way about you when time me hear them talk on the road about that. And me know say, you tell me say you're not left.
Yeah, man, me and she left, man, because she not really, you know, function right for them time. Then I tell her to cut and thing. See, the things start look up for me and now and, you know, I have some money because, you know, me work a little deal and the money I come up and things. See, I tell you, I promise you, you know, you have to get through the city. Your hair get done, your nail get done. Me I get the bag for you. Me I'm gonna start out the you know, the hotel thing. Cause which hotel you want to go? What's the next thing? Royalton. Big up themselves. Alright, cool. Yeah. Up there one. Alright. You know what? Share the food for me, cause Royalton food money can not enough still. Alright, me I go make myself comfortable because I don't have my sister me yard me I come from and thing, you know. The thing me go spend the night, yeah. Yeah?
Yeah, spend the night?
Yeah, baby, I have to spend the night, yeah, because down there kind of hot, them, you know, things are going on and I don't want to find out certain way.
So I don't know what to do with it.
No, man, I go on easy, man. Tomorrow is a different day, because you know, like when people know I'm living up. You understand? Nobody knows somebody here. That's my life. You understand? Wow, the food look nice to come to me. Thank you, baby.
Hello. Hello. Good body over here, so you know, slim and thick. Next customer, alright. Later. Alright, never mind. Slim and thick over here, so. Slim and thick. Good body there, good body. Why road dead door? Look like I'm not going now. I'll go up on my sister and go check her here, man.
Sis. Sis.
Oh. It's you.
What do you mean it's you? We don't understand that. What kind of it's you situation? You still vexed with me?
No, that's okay. If me still vex with you, that mean I'm mad or I'm crazy or something. So that's okay.
You have a lighter, sis?
We're gonna smoke.
Right, yes, so, what do you mean, which time I go smoke that? No much time I smoke in your house, I want. Eh?
Not today.
What do you mean to not today?
Where you want? Where you come here for today?
I tell you already, I feel a way. Mash up your work and all these things. So I don't really want you stress yourself. I want to carry in a town, carry go to the beach, you go swim, you can go enjoy a little life and thing. You want to do that?
No, I'm good.
It means you're good. You can't do your whole day just stress out with pen papers to come. Hmm?
Okay, one day.
Huh?
One day.
One day for what?
One day, I will let you take me to the beach or
So
something.
it's in a lighter.
You still depend that, man? What's wrong with you? You have to always have someone?
You don't understand, sir. This is kind of easy in pain.
Well, I don't have any lighter. What kind of pain do you have?
You vex with me because me I try to help you. You tell me say they are fine and suffer. You better tell me say they are fine and suffer and see they are now. You're alright.
Listen to me.
You don't know if a bills are paid, 1,500 bills and you sitting there.
Listen to me. You think that I was suffering. So I always say, yes, I'm suffering. But me never did a suffering. What wrong with you know? I won't know. I said, make me I say it was suffering thing kind of mix up or something. But you gone too far. Too far you go with it, man.
So what you tell me so now? You not gonna forgive me?
I forgive you. You're my brother. That not gonna make no sense. Me all up yourself. By the way, where were you yesterday? You leave me here by myself. I know you come and talk, but you want to take me out and stuff. Whole day, me there here by myself. Don't eat, don't drink, not one time. I'm gonna see you. By the way, a man come here yesterday now. Tell me that I give them fake money and the person fling the money in my face.
Fling money in your face, sister? Who
the
that?
Man fling so one look shot. The same guy that kidnapped me. The black one.
No, top say kidnapping. The kidnapping help you.
Kidnap. That one. When did I talk too much? Not the stammer one, the next one.
So the next one, come here and fling money in your face.
Fling the money in my face and say what I'm gonna do to you or
what?
Something like
To
that.
me?
Yeah, because you're frauding or something like that.
Oh, if him not Alright, sis. You see? Me I try to help you, me get myself in a situation. Yeah, me shouldn't give me fraud money, yes. But me just have to do it because me not have money yet.
You're so stupid. You're my bigger brother, but you're stupid. You know you can put yourself in danger.
Yeah, but
by the way, you're in danger already because the boy a plan to come for you.
To me? Not him say?
Yeah.
Fling money on my sister's face. And I plan to. Alright. Sis, you what me gonna do?
I don't want you to do anything. I just want you to relax.
How am I feel relax?
Listen to me. Listen to me. I just want you to relax, but me enjoy myself in Jamaica here before I go over back.
You like that?
You ask me about light. If you ask me about light one more time, I feel my phone over there for you.
Alright. Me understand everything I'm going. So, sis, you eat from there?
No, I'm hungry.
Alright, so which part sitting there? I was thinking there.
She gone do some hustling from the road.
Hustling?
Yeah.
That she tell you? She tell you say hustle?
Yeah, she
So
gone.
she really jeez, I'm pretty much what could have caused this. Alright, it's alright. You don't worry about that part. Leave you alone. Alright, sis, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to touch you, yeah? I'm going to get you some food. I'm going to make them either drop some food off or something. I'm going to try to call that girl, like, I'm understand way in your house in a broad day. I'm not sure about that, you know, but...
What do you mean by that?
I'm not sure about that.
Why?
I'm making sure I'm going.
Why you don't sure about
I'm
that?
going to buy one more shirt so you can have, you know, one exchange of clothes. Alright with that?
Okay.
But I don't going to try anyone to buy your clothes. I don't even buy anything. Oh. You know, wear Chinese clothes. I'll be a high life clothes and wear foreign, not sure. Welcome to Jamaica. Later.
So why you give me attitude? Why can't you do
I don't give attitude, I tell you as it is. Alright, sis, I'm going to go on the radar now, yeah? Come, I have to go sort out and do a little thing.
Food, bro.
Eh?
Buy food.
Yeah, I'm sending food for you. You sure I'm a lighter?
Come on, Jay. You come like something wrong with me. Go on. Take time and go on, please.
So what do you have things there for me?
Every time you ask me for lighter, what you want lighter for do?
I mean,
go dash away something out there. That's why your head a go.
Because every time you're there somewhere, go on about your business. Crazy. He's crazy, man.
Wagon.
Come here. I want to make you... Come here, man.
What?
I want to make you dress and trash and look. So where you go?
Me a go up the road go meet somebody. Somebody so
Come here now. I have a dresser.
Girl.
In a cutout sitting.
Tia.
What?
Me say me busy, me late.
No. Hello, you know if you hurry when you're going away, you know if you hurry. You don't know what I mean to this. Good old God. Tell me come here so. Can't me not take the route here now?
Tia. Me know see a long time you don't see me and so off. But it urgent. Me
Listen
have to
when
go
me
now.
say no. Let me see no girl, me and your friend. Look how long you don't sit down and talk to me, girl.
Know, but me kinda busy. Me tell you, me have stuff I deal with now.
Normally,
Me I try build myself now. When time me build, me come back. So late.
Listen what me I say no. Normally you just sit down and talk with me and tell me people business and then sit down. Let me see man.
Well, no. My business time. Me I mind my business.
So talk to me about your business now. What go on? How life a treat you?
Life is treat me perfect. Life is fine.
Me
Life is
see
good.
it all
Yeah.
Brazilian here and
Yes,
something.
alright. Yeah.
So, alright. So you hear about Mas John beat up a woman?
That's a long time since.
Anyways, me have something to tell you. Well, a long time I want to tell you. You know some guy. You know the man who did ask about public. Me go in yard the other day. And you don't know who me see. No Marika in sister, which me think I did in woman. You want to say me attack the girl.
You frighten me still, you know. You frighten me.
What you mean me frighten you?
Because now your man.
You know,
Me your
so
friend,
we
so if a girl take your man, you know me I go defend
no,
that.
No man, we kind of left. We complicated. But listen what me I say now.
Complicated.
But listen what me I say. Alia, me stress out. When me say me stress out, me mean say me go to the yard fi attack the man boy, the bike when thief, you know. And all if you know say me buck up woman in a house. Me say me nearly catch heart attack and me think me get over the man. Me not get over him, you know.
Well, you need to get over him because somebody else have him.
Who else?
So you know say man I go sit now wait for you to come back?
He love me now,
the man move on. So leave the man alone and go your ways.
He don't
not
move
your man
on
anymore.
So you become films, anyways, girl, in a move on, me I tell her, if you didn't move on, would I hear about it? I sit down with I hear about.
Well, if you move on, we know.
Yeah, we know.
Yeah.
Alright, if you know, you tell me, can you have my number, you can link me and tell me.
Yeah, but as me say, me make a fast move now, so little more.
Alright.
Yeah. Move on.
Alright, things just change so. Sure.
Yes.
Come on, say at up.
Yes.
Jesus Christ.
Yes, you ready?
No, you are gone. Can't go make you know.
Be your mother.
I have to understand me.
You promise me, no?
I promise you, but the frame of mind change. See? Because guess what now? Somebody go on me yard and go dash money in my sister face.
No, that's enough for your business. That's for your sister business.
Yeah, but
your sister must know what she do if a man can dash money in her face. You promise me so we are go today. You promise.
Yeah, I promise you, but
you make me have put on all these hot clothes. People see me and wonder where me I go.
People say.
Your
people
ex.
say. My ex with
Tia.
Tia see you?
I ask me I go. Me tell her say none of your business that. What if me tell her?
No man, just want to know say, you know, she not style you, she not bad to you.
She not say nothing bad to me.
Alright, so you are going. Me gonna make it up to you. Tomorrow.
I want to hear that.
Alright, you are. Just go home later on night. See, me we come back for you. Cause I know my plan say we go early already. Early settings, we won't talk about that. You understand? I'm done test my buy bag for you already. Not true?
Yeah, my phone know if come down about this, you know, you really do me this?
No man, you have to
Seriously?
just understand what I'm going. I just want a situation right now where we have to try to fix sit properly. You understand me, I say, babe? Don't vex me, yeah? But you look nice, me love how you look, me love you. Hey, pink just look good for you. Eh? Honey, don't vex me, yeah?
Later.
You know vex me, right?
Call me.
I'm me call you, yeah? Love you!
Love you.
Can't believe something that really can come to Jamaica. Come mash up my life, mash up my work, mash up everything for me. Just because I'm selfish with it. Why don't I feel like so? Huh? Hello?
Hi. How are you?
Boss, me sending me sick leave, you know. Me sending me sick leave.
Don't worry. Don't worry about that. It's all good. It's all good. Everything is okay.
You sure?
Yes, everything is all taken care of. I was just calling you because I need you to do me a favor.
What kind of flavor, boss?
Like right now, I have a property in Jamaica, and I know you're Jamaican, so I wanted you to go down there for me for a couple weeks to take care of that property.
I can do this for you, boss. I don't know why I'm talking like this. It's because I'm linking up with my Jamaican family, you know.
That is totally fine. That's understandable.
Okay.
You probably have to teach me some of that language, eh?
In due time, boss. In due time.
But yeah, I have the property, and I need to be down there for like 3 weeks. I can book the ticket right now. Are you okay going like right now?
Yes, boss. I can go right now. But guess what you're gonna do for me now? I want you to send me the money in my account. Reason being, I have a friend who can book the ticket for me more cheaper. So just send me the money in my account, okay?
Okay, sounds good. Sounds good.
Yes.
Thank you. So I'll get that over to you, and that's good. Thank you.
So I will tell you when I'm in Jamaica, okay, boss?
Sounds good. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Alrighty.
Have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Alright, boss.
Bye.
Bye. Hi, sis.
Mom, sister, I look so happy.
Girl, I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm really, really happy at the moment right now. So, where are you coming from?
Yeah, me know. I saw the friend people know. Always know. They must have know why I come in so late, but sometimes I don't want to look aside or sleep on the road. But it don't work out.
You smell a little sweaty though. I think you need to bathe.
How we are try? How we are do? I tell you what, tell me some more beard. I'm stink.
No, I don't mean it like that. I don't mean it like that. You just probably need to wash off or something. Probably you're on the road all day, so you kind of said,
Listen to me. You need to go and make over fire. You want to beard right around the clock. Jamaica this. You understand? So we come in, we take a little time, and we cool off, and thing we not jump, go beard. So we're not like when overseas. So I tell you what, tell me some stink. You see?
Alright, calm down. I have something to tell you. My boss just called me, and she wants to send me to Jamaica for 3 weeks, which I'm in Jamaica already. So she gonna pay for my plane ticket, which I told her to send the money in my account. So when she send me the money, we can have that in Jamaica for go and do what I want to do. But she want me to look for some place far.
What? Sis, we are get money.
What do you mean by we? Who is we? Me. I work hard for that money. What do you mean by we? You crazy?
Oi, man, what you do? Come here with chat.
Who you gonna tell that, sis?
Girl, a Jamaica with it. We chat it on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. You wanna continue? Man, what you do?
Okay, okay. When the money come, I will give you a thing. Okay?
Which
I'll give
thing?
you a thing.
You think me thirsty? We are talking about thing.
What is wrong with you, girl? I said I will give you a thing. I mean, $20.
Everybody tell me, hey, don't play with me in this case. You want someone go on the road. And no, me no work out for me. Man, what you do?
So how that's supposed to affect me?
Remember that
If
supposed to
not
say, hey,
work out
so me
for
ready
you.
to take your phone and lick your head, you know. Tell us something. Make sure so when I get the money, I get a good amount of it.
Pinky, remember, not because I'm at foreign, that no mean say all of my dirty is gone. You understand? Me still mad. So now come threaten me about no lick.
Sis.
Come me thump in your yard, give you uppercut. Don't
Sis.
bright.
Sis.
And you want to come argue with me over with my own money? The girl look like he mad.
No, anything I feel me and brother. Oh, cause we done so, we are all out like a real G. So you can't come tell me you come look for me and give me no 20 like you're mad. Must want me mash up your place. You must say, which $20?
Take it or leave it.
Take it or
if
leave
you don't
it.
want it,
Stop test me. Stop test me. Can we just chat right now? Stop test me.
Pinky, you're not gonna do that to your sister.
You don't know me. You really go overseas. So long. Right. About $20.
And I think you need to go on bed. You're very sweaty. You're smelling a little funky way or something.
Smelling man, funky.
You're funky.
Oh, be there.
As a young girl. Young lady is not supposed to smell like that.
Mine are in between your smell and before I come out and come funky.
Don't want any kiss from you.
This is a dark man. Sir! Yo, General, come on, them small Joe, sir.
Me I look for you, man, now. But right now, I'm fill up you, I'm frustrated. Serve! Yo, right now, I'm frustrated. Me I look for you, man, and I tell you, I never hold the boy there, see, man. Yo, what you not to move from man?
Keep it change.
Me I look for you, man, for my money, brother. Yo, don't move. You know long me I look for you. Me I walk up all over the place and I look for you. What you did there?
Yo, that's easy, man. Easy.
Easy?
What a problem?
I shot me for shot in your phone.
Yo, easy, man.
Watch out now. Listen now. You go for your sister for can come down here for a fight and you can't give man fake money. You think what man look like fake money and then I run up and run the whole place.
Yo, easy, just easy.
Yo.
I hear myself. It's just a misunderstanding, brother.
Misunderstanding?
Yes, I rang box then take up. Them have one box where you have some monopoly.
You want me mistakenly shot here?
No. You have to do that. I beg you, please.
Yo.
It's like, listen to me, I say, man. The man,
me I hear.
the brother was sell the bike, see, and one next thing, him have one game, some game money, some monopoly money. There's a copy mark for the money. Right away, the sickness is a fake money.
Look for
no, hear me, I say, man, stop panic on for me, don't panic on for me.
Right.
So me I say to you is that, listen, the man said the link him back and me get back his money, so me can get the money and carry back on give him.
When?
Eh?
When?
Next 2 weeks. And yo, easy, man.
Don't play me
no, next 2 weeks, me I say him.
Yeah, what? Me not get on next 2 weeks. You have 24 hours to get
24?
my money from not. You see, tomorrow them time, yeah. You see, when me circle, I'm call you. I'm gonna get my money. You see,
It's just a panic on for me.
watch ya. You see, if you get my money to me by them time, tomorrow when me call you, you're supposed to say, alright, yeah, go meet me and give me money. You see, if you don't give me money, I gotta decide what to do.
Alright, tomorrow. Yo, me and Carl, I'm gonna get the money tomorrow. And just meet me at the spot. Simple as that. No hard. Let's see this.
Let's fast.
No, man, you go on.
In a shop, me and go.
No, man, you go on. Alright.
Hey, boy, run. Yeah, shopkeeper. Let me get a,
Alia. Hey, I don't understand what kind of friend me I be, you know? What kind of friendship this Alia? What me mean by that? Alia, imagine from when me have to link up, me can't see you come like you come off a radar. What happened with you? Me have so much things to tell you, so much. You understand what I say? We have so much to catch up on, and it's like me have to beg you. Beg me have to beg you, Alia. Tell me now. Alia, just make me see you. Hold on there. Hold on, me get one call. Here, give me a minute. Hello? Pinky? What happened now? So make your sound, sir. Bust up over face. Girl, I must joke this. I prank this, huh? You bust up my face any day you see me. Pinky, now come to me with the foolishness in night here. You hear me I tell you? You see in night here? Me not even depend one good mood. No good mood, me not depend. So no come call me phone but you go bust up face. But bust up face. You think me frightened for you? I gonna pop your little maga. Hey, let me tell you this. Me not afraid that you say any day, name day, you feel like you want to try me. Just step to me. And me I tell you say, me ready for you. Eh. My girl, come on from my phone, cause you waste your time. You hear say me I call up your name about Palm Bridge? Girl, me say any day you're ready, just step to me. Me ready for you. Eh, Alia. Oh, you're up on the phone still. Girl, just let me see you, please. Cause me have so much things I want to talk to you about. You hear me I tell her? Please. Alright, tomorrow. It's a damn boy this so long, man. Awa. Why you run for like an idiot?
No, idiot. Man, put gun for me.
What? I'm like slap you. That's not it.
No, I swear. Why me know I'm go there now because this now. This man put gun for me. And he tell me say, me have 24 hours to give him money.
What?
Yeah, that's what tell me. And me say, yeah, man give him some fake money for true. But the thing is, me don't know say, I tell you star.
So what you do? What you gonna do?
No, I must say I saw me get sister to come out. But I mean think by now when I get back the real money and make back the money I can give him. Give me you gonna pull up a cigarette now?
No.
Who's that calling now? Yeah, hello. I'm beefy, man. How you say, sis? Take care of sister. I don't think I stay around. But don't tell her I see this one. I think I'm go for she and get because you say boy fling money in her face. You want to tell her?
Me not hear about that, you know. Cause she not tell me them things because she know me a mad somebody.
Why I don't know me go there, but here, I'm gonna try see if I can. I have to go run one Ponzi scheme for him. Because I don't have money to give him.
Cause you see it? All when me say me want stop smoke, me get what? You see what's out today? Me go do my business and me not get through. Me tell you something, you know. You see right now me corrupt me and no man now share no cigarette.
Brother, me and brother and sister,
me no
you talk about.
business. I don't care, you not get none. Me corrupt right now. I know what so you come back and tell me about how man pull gun pan you. You see it? Me see one I do, you know. Me see one I do. I said me feel mad, but it not go work. It's not going to work.
Sis, right now, I'm mad you talk about. I dead, me dead. Man pull the gun and him go on like he want to shoot me in my foot.
So look at now.
Eh?
Like all the man pull the gun upon you.
Mm.
What go happen to me and sister?
And that me no know that me say me.
No come now come for me and sister. And what is and where you go do a thief? You go thief?
Yeah, me go thief.
Hey! Hey! What make us a thief? What make us a thief?
This is not, yo, if you lick me now, I'm going to do no better because right now we have to try and fix this upper carriage.
You know what? May I go and left you?
No, sister, come here, sister.
Let me tell you something.
All right, just listen to me first for a second. There's nobody you can borrow money from. We don't pay you back.
How much money?
300,000. Nobody, all right, even if you know, none of your friend, like a man friend, you know, you can just, you know, have money or maybe have one chest at the yard or something. All
right, listen. I have 150,000 in my account. Where me they put on how long?
Ah, you make me there dead for hungry?
150,000 because guess what? I put it down, say, me I do that thing, and me never want to touch the money there, but now, me have to go touch the money.
Alright,
so me have to go borrow 150,000 to put on that day.
Alright, you ready though? Because we can, tomorrow man say, want it. Tomorrow Monday, you know, the bank is full for Monday. So, no, sister. You have to see me, sister. You know me have a back like that already.
Here what go on now, me want to say to you. Me say no. And that I turn yourself in one piece of junkie and smoking in a good feel. Let me tell you something. You know what I say?
20, 40.
A while ago, I call the girl Tia because I want bossy ass.
So, have you met Tia?
Oh, you mean? I want bust up in your face. If girl left on road that spread my name, say, me dey on bridge a sell. And me no like them, there's something me no like. Girl call up my name, okay? See, if me a do my business, me fi do it in a peace. No girl not supposed to spread my business out a road.
But you do it for true. The truth that can hurt them.
Shut up your mouth.
The truth hurts at that. Me tell them, man, no,
you see, I'm a same client now. I fi go give you 150,000 to help you. So let me tell you something. I no start watch my business. You see, Tia?
I me talk to her.
Not talk to her. I can bossy rat.
No.
All right.
Me talk to her.
When me a bossy rat, you not go there. So you can't tell me that.
Nobody with him. Sister, at jail house that. You only told only long at jail. You over there, Sammy, by yourself. Hello, how you doing? Everything alright?
I'm alone out there jail. Them all know what you do with you. If me not save you.
Alright.
By tonight and tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Alright, so sister, what time you feel you get up tomorrow? Because you not want to sleep. You nobody go bridge tonight.
May I get up 6 in the morning because this is a big problem I have to go solve for you.
Yes, sister. Alright, so tomorrow morning, but me not going to stay here too long. Because I'm there too long right now.
Listen to me. Don't sleep at the yard tonight.
Me not sleep there. You mad?
And me and Marika not sleeping there. So do not sleep at the yard tonight.
So where you going to go?
Where you go?
Me don't know. Me ask you.
Me have somewhere can go.
Alright, I'm going to go along then, no?
But me not carry me there because you know man and man have links. And me can there so you wanna feel my man friend them and them make a call and say, you know say, hey boy sister there. So no worry about me and Marika. Me have that lock. You just find yourself somewhere to go.
Alright, sister. Later, yeah?
So later.
Alright, look, come on.
It's
Alright then, wanna make it this far, you know what I mean? Wanna there at the end of the movie. Do the right thing, you know what I mean? Tell people say public report just post one movie called Instant Deportee episode 2. So do the thing and send it out to the world, you know what I mean? And thanks again. If you don't want to support the movement, you know what I mean? You don't know if you do, I'm gonna leave this thing in the description or even right here so by, you know, cause the road, you know, easy, you know what I mean? And we have to do this and that. And you know it's cost and rated, but guess what? If you can, you can. If you can't, you can't. Guess what? You can't please everybody, but at least one smarty happy smarty. Yeah, a good word. Out.